In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create tags in Zoho CRM. If you've been wanting to better organize your records and enhance your CRM capabilities, adding tags is a simple yet powerful way to get started. Tags can help you categorize and label your records in a way that makes them more accessible and easier to manage for your entire team. Today's focus is on how you can manually create tags within a record's detail view, a straightforward process that can make a significant impact. First, you're going to start by opening a record in Zoho CRM. This can be any record, such as a lead or a contact, depending on what makes the most sense for your specific needs at the moment. Once the record is open, take a moment to familiarize yourself with its layout if you haven't already done so. It's crucial to ensure you're making the changes in the correct place, especially if you're new to Zoho CRM. Next, you'll want to locate the area beneath the record's name. This is where you'll find the option to add tags. Take a closer look, and you'll see this prompt clearly visible, making it easy to start the tagging process. By clicking on Add Tags, a small input field will appear. This is your space to type the tag name you wish to assign to your record. You might want to choose a tag that is descriptive enough to provide meaningful insight at a glance. For instance, if this record pertains to a specific marketing campaign or geographical location, consider using identifiable names that will stand out later during searches or when generating reports. After you've typed in your desired tag name, ensure that it's spelled correctly and is the one you intend to use across other records for consistency. Once you're confident with your input, go ahead and save your changes. The Save button might appear as a small check mark or something similar, depending on how your interface is set up. It's important not to overlook this last step, as failing to save could mean losing your newly created tags and having to redo the process. Remember, tagging is a flexible tool, so don't hesitate to return and add more tags, or even edit existing ones as your needs evolve over time. By integrating tags into your routine, you can improve the clarity and efficiency with which you and your team manage records, tailor communications, and streamline workflows. And there you have it, a simple guide on manually creating tags in Zoho CRM. With just these few steps, you can enhance your CRM's functionality and keep your team organized and focused. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial easy to follow and implement. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks to make the most out of your CRM.